Good morning from the me inside the me to the you inside of every one of you. Good morning, says our Chintu, who does not speak, as I've already informed you in my previous sessions. You must have all heard about Swamiji speaking to you about the passports and the visas to the Bhulasa. So, I am very sure that each one of you are eagerly waiting for me, your beloved Nandini, to speak about this and inform you all how it works. During the end of the pandemic year 2020, our beloved Swamiji has announced about passports and visa to live and stay in Bhulasa. If you have come before the pandemic began, then you are being the privileged customer to get the diamond studded passport. We are all the golden customers who are going to get, yes, you heard it right. You are going to get, that is, we are going to get the golden passport which has diamond studs on it from the money we have all got from our nation. You all can get the personal, that is the physical darshana of the me, your beloved, again and again I am telling, beloved Nandini and our loved Swamiji, if your visas are going to get approved. So our Prime Minister of the Bhulasa and the cabinet, that is nothing or who is nothing but our beloved Swamiji, who takes the discretion of approving or not approving your visa applications. As you all know, Swamiji has approved for maximum of 3 days stay in the Bhulasa. Not more than that, because there are thousands and lakhs of people who want to come and stay here and see the beloved Swamiji. And I all understand you are over enthusiastic to see me and then to see our beloved Swamiji. Now, once you reach the Bhulasa, your lodging, your staying, your eating will all be taken care by our management, that is in Bhulasa itself. Okay? So, if you want to discuss your personal problems with Swamiji, you will get one physical meeting with Swamiji for only 10 minutes. Nothing more, nothing less. Yes. Now, if you want to discuss about the Bhulasa governance, or if you are interested in doing some projects in Bhulasa, or if you are interested in doing some developmental activities in the Bhulasa, then we can discuss for 1 or more than 1 hours or days, depending upon what you want to discuss with our beloved Swamiji. Now, how do you come to Bhulasa? First of all, you want to reach to Australia. From the Australia, our personal flights, that is Burday Travels, will pick you and your luggage that you have got or brought or bought with you along with yourself to Australia, and we will drop you to the Bhulasa island. I also understand that the borders of Australia are closed currently, but if you manage to come to Australia, then you are not very far from reaching our own Bhulasa. And your problems that you want to share with us is not at all far from us. It is going to be far from you as well, as you are going to be completely healed after coming to Bhulasa. So, as I have already mentioned, please keep sending your applications and your interest of coming to Bhulasa and your visa application form to the mail ID that I will provide in the description below. So please keep sending and sending your emails so that we can help you to come to Bhulasa. So thank you one and all one of you for listening to me, your Nityanandini. And until we treat and greet and meet each one of you physically and personally, I am going to say bye and namaskar to all of you. Please see you soon. Thank you.